So time check, it's already 9:30 in the evening mga preng. And yep, at this moment of time, tingnan niyo yung mga surrounding natin. Wala talagang katao-tao. So sinubukan ko yung third party application na camera kanina, tapos ngayon ito na naman yung main camera talaga niya, kung okay ba siya sa night. At I don't know kung anong result nito sa pag-upload sa Facebook, kasi binababaan nila yan ng resolution to 720 at 30 fps. But currently I'm recording at 1080p at 30 fps, and I'm using the Oppo Find X5 Pro front facing camera. I don't know kung 32 megapixel ba yung front facing camera nito, kasi nga yung rear camera nito is nakaset to triple or double 50 MP. So 50 MP wide, 50 MP yung main talaga. Evening.